Treat every weapon as if it were loaded. Never point a weapon at anything you do not intend to shoot. Keep your finger off the trigger until you intend to fire. Keep your weapon on safe until you intend to fire. Know your target and what lies beyond. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.